Hey guys, we're back in my Mustang, and I'm here with my friend Kaio.
Yo,
say
what's
hi.
up? Hey.
We're just gonna take this car for a quick little drive. We're gonna go get something to eat. We just came back from the gym. Well, no, we just finished at the gym. Also, today's my birthday, so wish me happy birthday in the comments. Having a great day today.
New camera. Got
a new camera. I'm rocking a GoPro Hero 13 Black. I'm super excited. Hopefully the video quality is a lot better. I'm so excited. Let's put the exhaust mode in sport because that's my favorite mode.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. And let's go. So I actually think this is my first night drive on my channel. So if you guys want to see more night drives in the future, tell me in the comments, because personally I don't like driving at night if it's not on the highway, because the visibility. But if you guys want to see it, I would happily do it. I would do it within an instant. Oh, we got a massive pothole. Oh, we dodged it. Nice.
Massive.
Massive. You know what else is massive? I'm hoping this camera quality looks good. My friend has my phone. He's control of it. He's telling me it looks really, really good.
Yeah.
I'm excited to edit this video. Way better than my GoPro. I was using a GoPro Hero 5 Black, and it was terrible. It was technically 1080p 60 FPS, but you could literally see like the pixels on the side of the screen, and you couldn't really see any of this in here. So it wasn't fun at all. Quick little light.
Bro, he's trying to keep up.
Oh, decline that.
That's Mikey.
Decline it.
He's trying to keep up. Shit, where should we eat, dude?
Oh, dude. Do you want to go to like, you want to just go to like Lido's or something? Lido's Pizza?
Ooh. Shit, dude, on the cut. Does that crazy work?
What's a good cut-friendly place to go eat?
That's the thing.
What,
Like,
Sushi
it's
Q?
your birthday.
Wanna go to
so I want
Sushi
to like,
Q?
yeah.
You want to do that?
Dude, let's go to Sushi Q.
I'm down for Sushi Q.
Because I don't want to just like go to like a random.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do Sushi Q.
Yeah, let's go to Sushi Q.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah. Dude, that shit. I would f some Sushi Q up right now. Oh, frick some Sushi Q up.
Yeah. Hey, family friendly.
Family friendly.
If you don't, I'm gonna ban you from my chat.
Hey, who keeps on saying the N-word in my chat? Let's ban him.
Man, this car just sounds majestic.
Yeah.
Honda CR-V just wants to get over.
What the f is that CR-V doing?
Dude, that CR-V really wants to go left.
Wants to turn left, bro.
Watch, he's about to go into my lane. Oh, I don't want to go. Okay, I turn now. Good luck, everybody.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
That would be terrible.
No bueno.
No freaking bueno.
Yeah.
I know it's not the greatest for the gas mileage, but I just love letting this thing just like sit at like 2,500 RPMs. It just sounds so good, and when you let off the gas, it just pops. Like little, it's not really pops. It's like crackles.
Yeah.
M6. Look at
That's
that. That's sick. Oh, me and my friend here, we saw it in Evo 8 earlier. It was so sick. It was red. It had anime stickers all over it. Oh, like an obese Discord mod looking guy was driving it.
Yeah.
Low-key kind of valid.
Yeah.
Are we gonna make the green?
Oh yeah. Green fucking.
Green FN.
Yeah.
That was a silly ass turn. Letting it rev out a little bit. Yeah, one thing I really hate about night, you just cannot see where cops are. You just cannot. You just got to make sure there's no cars around, and then you know for sure there's no cops. But how am I supposed to know if that's a cop or not?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You can't tell until they turn on their lights.
This little half throttle just sounds so nice. I love a car that you can just enjoy driving it just for the sound. This car definitely delivers. One thing with this car, I think we might have to get it fixed at the dealership. It's not anything wrong with it. It's just in sport mode, like sport as in the shifter, like when you pull it back into sport or manual mode. The shift from a stop from first to second is super, super harsh. I mean, I guess some people might like that, but it's not even like a hard shift. It's a harsh shift, and I don't know if I like it too much. But I've seen other people on forums have the same thing, and apparently you can get it fixed. We've tried to take it in. Apparently we need there's a special guy that does it and would know how to do it. Everyone else doesn't know, so I have to take it back again one day in the future. That's like one little complaint. Other than that downshift rev matched really well. I like that a lot.
Broke my arm, bro. No sky zone, like you said.
No way. Like he just broke his arm?
He said,
Yo.
my arm, bro. No sky zone.
No. That's ridiculous.
Are you so serious? How the fuck do you break your arm?
Dude.
Yo. Holy shit.
Is it bad?
Yo, it looks like he got his arm ran over.
Oh.
It looks like an Instagram reel shit, dude.
Dude.
His hand looks like it's made out of Jello, dude.
Oh my god. Jello?
Je
I'm gonna swerve in a corner. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, come on.
Dude, that
You wanna go instead?
Hell yeah. Honestly. Shit, I liked you. You was cool.
You like Chua?
Yeah.
I kind of like trucks from back then. They were like a lot smaller.
Mm-hmm. Like
And like,
pickup trucks, right?
yeah, and they didn't project like small dick energy as much as the new ones. Like that truck in front of us.
Energy, bro. The
Yeah.
fucking F-150s.
Yeah.
Like nowadays, or like the F-250, the Super Duty.
Yeah.
Super Duty.
Yeah. I love the Super Duty.
Yeah.
If I ever got an F-150, I would just get the Super Duty just so I could say I have a Super Duty.
What's worse though? Lifted Ram truck or a Cybertruck?
Cybertruck, bro. Like, dude, there's nothing worse than a Cybertruck.
The Cyberfuck?
If y'all made it this far, every time you drive and you see a Cybertruck coming that way,
make sure to swerve into
No.
oncoming traffic, hit it head on, make sure you kill every single passenger.
no,
Including the
bro, it's a Cybertruck. You're gonna get killed. I was gonna say,
Basically
flash your
just
high
stainless
beams.
steel fridge.
Flash your high beams as hard as you can.
Yeah, make sure they crash. Please.
Every time you get a little pull, you gotta go. All right. All right. Great. I freak with that crazy style. I literally cannot tell if any of those cars are cops, and if they are and I'm going like 70, I am cooked. I am so cooked.
You're donezo.
Absolutely donezo.
Hey, we're donezo.
Alright, so I can't see anything.
Yeah, dude, I actually
This
just got
electric
flashlight.
Volkswagen has its high beams on. Great. You can't really go that fast on these kind of, I mean you can, but on these kind of roads at night. This guy. Don't you just love it when people just jump right out in front of you? Isn't that just the greatest?
Jump scare.
Yeah, literally a jump scare. I love when people do that to me. I love scaring. I'm like, I love hitting my brakes or like not hitting my brakes just enough so I like almost hit them. They're like, "Wah!" Is that a Cybertruck?
Yes.
No, but there's people behind him. I feel bad. If it was just him.
Just the Cybertruck.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Dude, the quality's so nice.
I know, right?
And it's also nighttime.
It looks better than
Yeah.
that guy's camera, dude.
There's also, since it's nighttime, there's no sun like beaming down on my dashboard. So it's just like everything you can see really clearly.
Yeah.
I love that.
see.
All right, well, that was a quick little drive to a restaurant. We're not even there yet, but we're almost there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys like my new camera quality. This is what you're gonna be seeing from now on. If you made it this far into the video, please drop a like and please subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much. And y'all have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next one.